Hi guys, welcome back to Zero to Hero web design course. In this video, I will show you how to install your WordPress on a free domain and hosting. So you get a free domain on which you can build your own website and do all your projects. The reason why I'm doing this video is for the benefit of those that have not been able to raise money at this time to create their own to register their own domain and hosting. So with this, you'll be able to do everything. The only problem is this kind of domains, there are a lot of limitations to it. For example, there will be another name that will be attached to the domain, so anywhere your domain is, that name goes with it. So it's a form of adverts for their own name. Then also, you don't have total control over it. If their website crashed, then your own website crashed also. If you don't have access over your control panel, you don't have total access. That's what it is. So but you can use it at least to follow up in this course so that you won't lag behind. Also, those that paid for their domain, I want you to also watch this video because it will help you. There's no knowledge that is lost. For example, in the future, you might want to also start doing a training like this, and your students will also need this this skill, like installing WordPress on a free domain. So how are you going to do it if you don't watch this video? So please watch this video. And also, at the point of installing WordPress, it's the same for both paid and free ones. So please, I want everybody to watch it, see how you install WordPress on your C panel. So that will be that and that. So these are the steps on how to create your free domain on profreehost.com. So I'll go to profreehost.com now to create the free domain and install the WordPress. So let's go. Now I'm on profreehost.com. So what you want to do now is to click on register now. So it will bring up this page. It will tell you to register. So you put your email address. This is my email address. This is the email address I want to use. Then I'll put this, the password. Let me look at the password I want to use. So click on login, sign up. So the next thing is to check your mail for the activation link. So you can see it now. The activation link is already in my mail. You click on it to bring it up. Then you click on this to activate account. So click on activate account so that your account can be activated. So now my account has been activated. This thing is click on create new account. Can you see? Click on create new account. So you click on it. Close this one. So it says create new account. So I'll put enter attractive name for your website. So you enter the name that you want for your website. So let me say what name I want to use. Let me use my website digital creative concept. Let me use DCC. Let me use DCC market. .com. So that's my this thing. So now you can see that it has attached UNAUX to my domain name, and that's one of the reasons why this is not really advisable for a professional website, because you don't really know what this meant. You don't know what it is. Maybe we should even search for your UNAUX or something. You can search for it, but that's one of the reasons why it's a free domain. Do you understand? So, if you want another one, you can choose this or any of it. You can choose any of it. So this is what our name now is: dccmarket.com. So you might write it down: dccmarket.com .unaux.com. That's your domain. So if you are okay with what you've chosen, then you click on this mark sign so that you can create your account. So it's rolling. So try and scroll down. So now you can see here now that now you've gotten your domain. The domain is dccmarket.com.unaux.com. That is that. So to install WordPress now, you will click on manage. When you click on this manage, it takes you to the control panel. So click on this. Okay, so it brings you to this place. When it brings you to here, you can see control panel. So the next thing is to click on control panel. So let's click on control panel. So it's redirected to control panel. So now cPanel is now loaded. So the next thing is, so also at this point, even those that have made payment for their hosting and domain, I want you to take note of this point. So if you can look at this now, I've told you in the last video how to log into your cPanel. Is your domain.com/cPanel. If your domain is smscruise.com, so it's smscruise.com/cPanel, and you will log in with your username and your password, and you will be brought to this place. And I told you in one of the videos also that if you want to change your password, you come to this place, then you go to password and security. That's that about that. So to install WordPress now is the same thing for both paid and free domain. What you need to do now is click on Softaculous app installer. So let's go. Softaculous app installer. I clicked on that. So this is your WordPress. These are other content management system, but this is the most popular, and this is what people use. This is what powers about 40% of all websites in the whole world. So this is what we want to use. So the next thing is to click on install. Yes, so click on install. So you'll be brought to this place, and this is where you will set information about your website. So look at this now. HTTP. This is a domain name. So we are installing the WordPress in this main domain. I want you to take note of this, everybody, both free and paid domain. This is the domain now. You understand? This is a domain. If your domain name is www.johnson.com, you will see www.johnson.com in this place. That is your domain. So we are installing this WordPress on the main domain. We are going to be doing about 3 projects in this course. The sales page is not really a website, it's just a page. So it's not going to take any work. We are not going to be installing WordPress for that. So we are doing 3 major projects. Does it mean you will have to buy 3 domains for the 3 projects? The answer is no. For example, if my business name is Digital Creative Concepts, if I have other businesses, maybe Digital Creative Venture, I don't have to go and create another, buy another domain name for them. So if I want to build another website, I've already installed a WordPress on this main domain. So maybe tomorrow I now have a reason to build another website. You will come to your cPanel again, install a WordPress again, then the next one you are going to be doing, you are going to be installing it in a directory. So you put something here. If it's a blog you want to build now, you can put a blog here. You can put / blog. If it's a laundry business, you can put / laundry. So the new WordPress now is installed in directory, not on this main domain. You need to get this. It's very, very important. Do you understand? It's very important. So for example, now we are going to be doing our blog as the first major project. You don't have to install your blog on this main domain if you still have plans for this main domain. If you have plans for it, you don't have to install your blog on this main domain. But if your blog is the business, is the main business, then you can install the blog on this on this place. Your blog might bear your domain name, just like lindaekg.com. Your blog might bear the domain name. But if the blog is just like a secondary business, so you want to attach it to your main domain. So your main domain is there. Then in the directory, you now put the next website that you want to build. Maybe the next website is like I said, maybe a blog / blog. So the WordPress will be installed in this directory now, not on this. I hope you understand what I just said. So because of this class now, I'm not installing in directory. I'm using this main domain. So that is that. So we'll move to this place. Site name, my blog. No, it's not my blog. The site name is DCC Market. That's going to be the site name. The site description. The best online digital market. The best, I want to call it online blog. Maybe I will use this for the blog project. The best online blog for digital products. Digital. Best online blog on digital marketing. Let me use that. So admin username, make sure you write this down. Admin username, So you need to write this down so that you don't forget it. Then password, I think so make sure you input your home password, then we are good to go. So you can see strong 91, and let me add one more. So these are our admin details. Put the language English, limit login, then you click on install. Install. So this may take 3 to 4 minutes. So it's installing. 1840. Yeah. So our WordPress has been installed. So what you need to do is you copy this information and save it somewhere, or you don't even need to save it. The only thing is that to log into your WordPress backend now, to start working on your website, this is the URL that you need. So your domain /wp-admin, that is what you need. If your domain is www.johnson.com, your WordPress backend URL will be www.johnson.com/wp-admin. So for me now, for what I just installed now, this is the URL to my WordPress backend. So if I want to start working on this website now, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy this, then I'm going to paste it on my browser. Yes, so it has brought me to the backend now. So I will log in with the username and the password I provided. Then I will put the password. So I will log in. So yes, we are successfully installed WordPress on a free domain. So this is where you do everything that you need to do. If those that paid also for their domain, this is where they will do all the work that they will need to do. So can you see, you guys need to thank me for this. You know, you won't get this in any other course. It's only digital creative concept. That's where we bring everybody together. Whether you can pay for domain or not, it's not consequential. So it's inconsequential, I mean. So please whether you are paid, whether you have not paid. There, so I believe we are all on the same page now. So if you have paid, you can also go ahead and install your own WordPress now, but you can wait if you want to, so that we can start together on the next video. So this is what we want to do on this video, and I believe everybody has gained one thing or the other in this video. I thought it's going to be a very short video, but this is about 21 minutes already. So I would like to close on this video. Now. So please make sure you go through everything that we've done. Also, if you have not bought your domain before and you have not done your hosting, so go through these steps so that you can also be up to speed. And in our next video, I'm going to be moving straight to our first project, which is creation of a sales page. Thank you very much for staying tuned on this video, and I believe you've gained one thing or the other. I will see you in the next video.